Hey there guys, today I got an ABUS lock here. It's going to be a 40mm laminated padlock. It's ABUS, made in Germany. It's going to be the number 41. Lock does work. Go ahead and open it. So there it is, unlocked. Lock them back up. Give you guys a look at the key bitting here. This lock's got a really tight keyway. It's paracentric, so it's really hard for me to get in there and manipulate the pins. And there's a look at the key bitting. Hope you guys can see that. And I'll be using my double-ended tension wrench here with the one side ground down a little bit. Give myself a little bit of room in the keyway. Go ahead and get my tension wrench set up using the hook pick out of the Pagoda Southward set. Go ahead and start picking this guy. Normally once I get this guy into a false set I can get him open, but it's really hard to feel what's going on in there because the keyway is paracentric and the wards and really binds your pickup. It's really hard to get input. Alright, I think I got him in a false set now. See if I can get out of a false set and get this lock open. Maybe. No promises. Just gotta find the pin. Oh. I think I reset everything. Damn it. Yep, I reset everything. I lost the false set. Try that again. Just go to the back of the keyway here. Get my pick in there. Yeah, it looks like just going to the back of the keyway, my shaft, my pick, just dropped it into a false set. See if I can find that pin. Gives me some counter rotation. Just looking for that pin. There we go. Picked open. That's going to be the ABUS number 41. Yeah. And like I said, it's laminated. I think this lock's made in Germany. This is prying. Prying here on the side. But on the bottom it says ABUS. Yeah. And gave you guys a look at the key bitting. There it was, picked open. And as always, thank you for watching. And you guys have a good one. Oh, and this lock does have security pins on it. So, but as always, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.